Okay, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the Market Beast edition. Yes, it is fellow compadre speaking. And today we'll be discussing the GME stock. Believe it or not, I have a interesting tone, kind of piggybacking off of our previous video, which was very unprofessional after I listened back to it, guys. Pardon me there. We're going to step in with a little bit more professionalism on this video. So go ahead and stick around to the end. If you're just joining us, welcome in. Hit the subscribe button. The YouTube algorithm is picking up on the channel. Thanks for your engagement and your support with that. We appreciate that, including our loyal subscribers. Thank you, guys. So let's talk about GME. I just want to go over some very practical levels, the same level that we discussed, but another one extra level. So let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's February the 8th, 2021, and the current price of GME is going to be $59.08. It's currently down approximately 7.3% for the day. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and reveal the lines, what that I have here. And that's it. Really simple. There's actually 4-week candles just for visibility purposes. And what I was going to say before I stopped myself there. Now, what I'm going to, just to be totally transparent with you all, I am still betting against GameStop. You can go ahead and leave a thumbs down. That's fine. I still have my put position open, okay? But this video has more of a tone that there could be hope for GameStop. I know some are like, dude, shut up. We already know there's hope. That's fine, guys. I just want to explain the technical reason as to why I'm saying that there could potentially be hope for GameStop. Now, this is going to take time. So for those of you who are patient, and this is not a video insinuating that you should hold your position. So let's be clear about that. This is a financial advice. Execute your strategy. Know how much you're going to risk. If you've already entered this market, I mean, if you should already know how much you're going to risk anyway. But yeah, execute your strategy. Know how much you're going to risk. Know where you're going to sell, and that's it. Let's continue here. So the reason that, first of all, I still have my put position open is because of this red line overhead here, the $61.51. This is an approximate level. If that level has a successful breach, right, and then it gets lower, the only level that I'm looking for is the level we already discussed. $22.42. These aren't random numbers, guys. If you think these are random numbers, I mean, that's fine. I mean, check my video, my credentials. I mean, let's continue here. And we can actually pull this down a little bit, to be honest with you. If we pull it down right there to like $56, okay, that is a very important level for GameStop to stay above. Now, if the price can, let's just say over the course, I truly think this is going to take a while. I know a lot of people got really excited with this move up in GameStop when it went all the way up to $400, almost $500, when we made that really silly video saying it was going to rip to the upside. Just ignore those videos, guys, seriously. It does appear that if GameStop can hold the relative range near $56.29, I do see potential here. Now, please listen. The reason I say that I see potential is I still do think that it's going to take a while. That 400% squeeze to $1,000. I could be wrong. I'm okay with being wrong, but I don't think that is the practical move for the longevity of GameStop. What does that mean? That means let's just say within the next week, everybody's looking for some squeeze or something, short squeeze. If you don't think from $20 all the way up to $470, if that's not a squeeze and you're looking for more of a squeeze, like how much squeeze do you want, right? Let's stay on track here with the technicals, but let's just say that GameStop actually makes a move from the current level at about $56, and then it makes a bullish counter move, right? All the way up to, let's just say, $323, okay? This must take place in a short period of time. But the one thing that I think a lot of people don't understand from a technical standpoint, remember, guys, the fundamentals, I'm pretty sure there's some fundamentals out there that suggest the price is justified for like $400 and something. I understand that, but I'm not a fundamentals guy. I'm a technicals guy. So please let me allow to explain to you the technical price fluctuations in this market. If it happens in a short period of time, first of all, it's necessary. But would it be a sustainable move? That's not the move that GME needs to do next week. Go up all the way up to, let me just go ahead and measure it. from the current level all the way up to 300 and something dollars, 400 and something percent. That's not sustainable, because what happens is next week, if it goes up, let's just say 400%, then it's probably going to come back down all the way back down to $56, because the true financial support is right here. So the financial support in this market needs time to consolidate after this gigantic red candle. These aren't candles, like this isn't just a random candle. This is a strategic candle that sell orders that have entered this market also included in this wick. I don't know if you guys can actually see that, okay? All the way up to like $475. These are real sell walls. You guys can say, oh, we're going to squeeze Wall Street hedge. I'm not even going to get to that. What needs to happen in the price action, okay? There needs to be a consolidation range to show this gigantic red candle that is currently entered the market, right? They need to show this red candle that, okay, look, we realize that you just entered this sell wall, okay? But what we are going to do is be relentless. We are not selling our positions. What we're going to do in the counter move of this gigantic sell wall is we are going to consolidate above or near this $56 level. And I truly think that this consolidation will take some time. And a lot of people aren't patient to wait for this consolidation to continue to finish out, right? Excuse me. So let's just say over the course, I just did an example that leads all the way over to November to 2022. And somebody say, come on, dude, you're super weird. This is never going to take that long. We're blasting off next week. I'm telling you, please just understand, or at least have an open mind with me, because remember, when you step on this channel, guys, there is nothing else other than technical data. I live, eat, breathe, and sleep this stuff. I see the fluctuations in the markets and what needs to take place after there's a specific candle that enters the market. So just understand, or at least be open to the fact that the next move in this market should probably not be an extreme move to the upside. I don't care if I lose the premium on the put position that I currently have open. For the longevity of GameStop, it's in its best interest to at least have a few weeks of consolidation near or just above or just under, okay? It's better if it closes candles above the $56 level, okay? Be open to some consolidation and a really nice move up to the upside, but of course a rejection. All that's happening when you see that is the sell orders are being cleared, okay? So that's basically what I'm seeing on GME. I do see that there could be potential in this stock, but I do think that it's going to take a while. That was a wild ride that I did play it up to the I think I played it up to only like $60. Like I didn't even get, like I didn't say left so much money on the table, but I played the ride. I'm done with GME. I'm still interested in GME and playing the swings, but right now it won't be to the upside for now. That could change next week, okay? I'm paying very close attention to the price action. Let me see if I could pull up the weeklies and we'll just close this out. Hopefully this was like some sort of relevant information, guys, as far as the price action staying above this line here at about $59. I know a lot of people want to see a rip to the upside, but I don't think that's in the best interest. And honestly, even if it gets down to that level where I have my put to like $22, I mean, if that happens and it has a quick recovery, then that's fine as well. I mean, I don't know, guys. GME, it really just needs, and finally, I know the courtesy on all over the place, including closing, whatever. GME needs to stay above $56 and consolidate and close weekly candles above the approximate level of about $56. I think, what is it, 56, yeah? Yes, $56. Let's let the price action get boring. You guys, don't look for excitement in the markets. I mean, if it happens, that's fine, but that would be an indication to me that, I truly think that the best interest for GME, according to the way that I understand candlesticks, is to consolidate near or just above the it has to be just above the $56 level. Give the price action at least 3 months to consolidate above $56. Okay, again, I don't care if I lose the premium on that, but I'm just talking about the best interest of this company. And for those of you who are still long over $100, I truly think that, I mean, I don't know where you bought in with your calls or whatever, but it's in the best interest if this stock were to just kind of slowly, have a very nice consolidative phase above $56. Let's just call it, even for those who say, no, we can't wait 3 months, just give it 4 weeks. This price needs consolidation after this huge run up Okay, I don't even know if we measured it. Let me see here. This huge run up from the top of that red line, 635% in a week. Okay, you need to give the markets time to recoup. Okay, that's a lot of energy used in 1 week. Okay, so to think it's gonna go back to $1,000 next week, like short squeeze, stop. Seriously, guys, cut it out. That's not. I'm not gonna say it's not gonna happen, but the true ebbs and the flows in the markets, the price needs time. I've said it like a million times. Let's go ahead and cut it out here. So hopefully you guys caught that. Rewind it back. It needs consolidation. Thank you for your time and your patience with me here. If you enjoyed the content or you found valuable information, maybe you didn't, leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there. Leave a comment. Let us know if you guys are still diamond handing GME. We truly need sustainable buying, solid power below the $56 level if you truly want to talk about what needs to take place. The diamond hands are fine, but the market needs buying structural strength, okay, below the $56 level. Okay, so I guess write that down or remember it or whatever, guys. So we're gonna cut out here. And if you're new, also before you go, we all go over the alternative markets, Bitcoin and altcoin. Subscribe, hit the bell. We'll see that information when it's available. And we did cover everything. So, yes, good. Out we go. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. Execute your strategy. We're going to talk very soon. Bye for now.